Hi everybody, we're on to the next one. This is Ron from Full Time Dreams in Western New York at the Western New York RV Show. And this rig that we're going to check out is the Thor Scope Class B. You can see across the top there. Across the top, underneath the snow, there's an awning that comes out off this side. This is the 18M. We step up inside. This right here is a refrigerator. Vertifridge. You can see the cabin area up here in front. Set up on the Dodge chassis. You have a seat that turns into a bed. Cabinets. Max air fan in the ceiling. Cabinets along this side. In the kitchen area, you have a 2-burner propane stove top, and you have this kitchen sink. You have a control center up above over top of the stove. You have a little convection oven, convection microwave. Come into the back and you have a wet bath. You have the shower and the rear top. You have nice little container or storage in the back here, made out of composite to stay dry. You have this that goes all the way around. Continue around this way and back up. Short but sweet. There's a couple little drawers that go right down at the bottom down here, and I can't get them open because of the rubs that they have in to try to keep the snow and salt out of the vehicle. Okay, so that was the Scope 18M. If you'd like to leave a comment down below, please do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And we're going to go on to the next one. Bye now.